What's up, guys? Andy here. I know it's been a minute since I made my last video, but got something special for you guys today. Went over to Global Alliance yesterday up in Duluth. Shout out to Global Alliance. You guys did a fantastic job installing my new ARK Catback on my G70. Super satisfied with how it turned out. You guys did an amazing job. It was super quick. I mean, as expected from a new car, no rusty bolts or anything to deal with, so everything comes right off, bolts right back on, no issues. I'm gonna take you guys for a test drive. Hope you guys enjoyed that cold start. I was blown away because yesterday after they installed everything, every time I drove it, it was always a warm start. So guys, there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video of the new Catback install on my G70. If you liked the video, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe. Until next time, peace.